Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the Kani Vini Arigani designs, and you can't believe the price point with a luxurious soft Banarasi cotton silk saree with a celebrity style, premium quality, Bollywood inspired patterns in affordable price point, and we have more than 4,500 plus designs. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in, and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Both device our applications are live now. Today video I will show you the two different fusions, two different color combination. Each saree have a different story and different elements with a but premium quality and affordable price point. That's my guarantee. Let me show you the one by one. The first one is a Neeta Bam inspired detailings with a Sona Chandi fusions, Banarsi premium quality cotton silk material. Let me show you the pallu detailing. In pallu parts, you receive the golden zari waves, the elephant, peacock and rudraksham buttas in entirely rich pallu parts with a black color combination, the resham thread tassels part. Here you can see the long tail pallu with a striped fusions with elephant, peacock detailings with a Sona Chandi fusions over different styles in entirely rich pallu parts. And body parts, in skirt part you receive the very pretty the geometric style fusions in entirely body with the same as usual the premium quality Banarasi cotton silk saree, light weighted beatable material in affordable price point. This saree you received at just ₹999 rupees. Yes, you hear total right, 999 rupees, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost and black color combination, the self brocade blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel. Must be follow Instagram page Vastranand. And daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in premium quality. That's my guarantee. So must be follow Instagram page and subscribe our YouTube channel. Here you can see the second color option, second designs, new color combinations, the very pretty top trending last 15 days to top selling items right now in affordable price point. Here you can see the dark green with a pink color combination rata pad border and pink color combination rich pallu parts with a golden zari waves. Here you can see the entire the body you receive the horizontally and vertically checks patterns with a mango elements detailings, and border part you receive the golden zari rudraksham buttas along with a mantex fusions. This saree also you received at just ₹999 rupees, free shipping all over India. Can't wait to grab this pretty lightweighted beatable material saree. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then must be call and book your slot on your suitable time slot one day before on our customer care executive number. Here you can see the pink color combination rudraksham buttis in entirety blouse piece. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and total we are providing 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in customer care executive number. Vastram Madi, Anandam Mede. Buy now at vastranand.in.